Every night, your brain generates an entire alternate reality complete with characters, plots, and emotions, then largely erases the memory of it within minutes of waking. Why do we dream at all? For over a century, competing theories have proposed wildly different answers, from hidden wishes to random neural noise to memory consolidation, and the debate remains genuinely unresolved. Sigmund Freud, in his 1900 work The Interpretation of Dreams, proposed that dreams represent disguised fulfillment of unconscious, often sexually or aggressively charged wishes that would be too threatening or socially unacceptable to acknowledge directly. Freud distinguished the manifest content, the dream's surface storyline as remembered upon waking, from the latent content, the dream's true, hidden psychological meaning, disguised through symbolic transformation, condensation of multiple ideas into single images, and displacement of emotional significance onto unrelated objects. Dream analysis, in Freud's framework, involved decoding this symbolic disguise to reveal the wish beneath. Freud's dream theory has faced sustained scientific criticism, primarily on the grounds of falsifiability, since any dream content can be reinterpreted to fit almost any underlying wish through sufficiently flexible symbolic interpretation. The theory makes no testable predictions that could disconfirm it. Modern sleep laboratory research, including studies of dream content in infants and non-human animals with limited capacity for complex unconscious wish formation, has failed to provide empirical support for Freud's specific claims. Despite this, Freud's basic insight that dreams often reflect emotionally significant waking concerns has some support in modern research on dream content and emotional processing. Alan Hobson and Robert McCarley's activation synthesis theory, proposed in 1977, argues that dreams originate not from disguised unconscious wishes, but from essentially random neural activity generated by the brainstem during REM sleep. This random activation spreads to the cortex, including areas involved in vision, movement, and emotion, and the cortex, ever pattern-seeking, attempts to synthesize this random neural noise into a coherent narrative, producing the often bizarre, illogical, and emotionally intense quality of dreams. In this view, dream content reflects the brain's storytelling response to internally generated noise, not a disguised message requiring decoding. The neurocognitive model of dreaming, associated with researchers like G. William Domhoff, proposes that dream content is not random noise, but reflects an extension of waking cognitive processes and concerns, activated during sleep by neural networks similar to those used in waking mind-wandering and imagination. This model emphasizes the continuity hypothesis, the well-supported finding that dream content correlates strongly with a dreamer's current waking life concerns, relationships, and emotional preoccupations, while acknowledging that the physiological state of sleep constrains and shapes how that content is expressed and organized. A substantial body of research supports memory consolidation theory, which proposes that REM sleep, and the dreaming that accompanies it, plays an active role in processing and consolidating memories, particularly those with strong emotional content. Studies show that REM sleep deprivation impairs memory consolidation for emotionally significant material more than for neutral material, and that brain regions involved in emotional memory, including the amygdala and hippocampus, show heightened activity during REM sleep. This theory suggests dreaming may be a byproduct, or perhaps a functional component, of the brain's overnight memory processing and emotional regulation system. No single dream theory has achieved full scientific consensus, and modern dream researchers increasingly favor integrative models that combine elements of multiple theories. Dreams may simultaneously reflect random neural activation, ongoing memory consolidation processes, and continuity with waking emotional concerns, without requiring any single mechanism to explain every feature of dreaming. This reflects a broader pattern in psychological science, where complex phenomena that persisted across a century of competing single-cause theories are increasingly understood as products of multiple interacting systems rather than one master explanation. A century after Freud, the question of why we dream remains genuinely open, but the debate has progressed from unfalsifiable interpretation toward testable neuroscience. Whether dreams primarily reflect random neural noise, ongoing memory consolidation, or continuity with waking concerns, the modern scientific consensus is that dreaming is far more than mere disguised wish fulfillment.